For centuries, different cultures have used food, not just as sustenance, but as a tool for healing and extending life. From controlled fasting to ritual feasts and sacred remedies, ancient traditions may hold the secrets to longevity. Let's dive into how these powerful practices shaped wellness across civilizations. Fasting, the reset button for your body. Many ancient cultures embraced fasting as a way to cleanse, heal, and sharpen the mind. Ancient Greece, philosophers like Pythagoras fasted to improve mental clarity. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, believed fasting helped the body heal itself. Islam, Buddhism, and Hinduism. Religious fasting, Ramadan, intermittent fasting, etc., was seen as a spiritual and physical detox, reducing inflammation and promoting self-discipline. Modern science backs it up. Studies show fasting triggers autophagy, the process where the body removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones, helping slow aging. Feasting, nourishing the body and soul. While fasting cleanses the body, feasting was equally important. Many cultures viewed food as sacred and nourishing. Ancient China, traditional feasts focused on balance, yin-yang harmony through warm and cooling foods. Native Americans, celebratory feasts included whole, nutrient-dense foods designed for seasonal survival. The Mediterranean longevity diet. Ancient Greeks and Romans prized olive oil, herbs, and fish, foods now linked to longevity and heart health. 3. Healing foods and rituals. Every civilization had powerful natural remedies, some of which modern science is now rediscovering. Egypt, honey and garlic were used as medicine. Science now confirms their antibacterial benefits. Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, herbs like turmeric, ginseng, and holy basil were believed to restore balance and increase lifespan. Japanese tradition, seaweed, green tea, and fermented foods, miso, natto, played a major role in health and longevity. Japan boasts one of the highest life expectancies in the world. 4. The ancient longevity code. What can we learn from these age-old practices? Fast strategically to allow healing and renewal. Feast mindfully, prioritizing nutrient-rich foods. Use nature's medicine, herbs, spices, and whole foods. Respect food as a sacred tool for well-being. By combining ancient wisdom with modern science, we may unlock the secrets to living longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives.